Hello everyone, this is Peter from Forex Signals and Invest. In this video we will discuss how to make money online, from your home, or while traveling and visiting a new country. So let's get started. Become an investor. If you are interested in trading, but you don't have time for that, or you don't know how to trade, you should join our investment program. With us you will be in direct with the market, and have all the tools you need to become a great trader and investor. Our services include free and premium trading courses, and free and premium Forex signals alert and analysis. We also have account management and investment program services, where we do all the trading, and you make profits just by investing, without the need to know how to trade or work online. How we do it? We do all the trading in two brokers, with FCA UK regulation. We make around 30% to 60% profit a month. Our profit share is 20% only. And you can withdraw every month. So for example, if we make you $5,000 profit, this means you can keep $4,000 and we get $1,000. And you will receive a full report of your investment account, every weekend to the email you signed up with. How to start? First open an account in our website, link in the description. Then choose a package, click Start Now and complete the process. Once you finish the process, your deposit will be added to your investment account. And you will receive an email confirmation. Also on every Saturday you will receive a full report of your investment account on the email you signed up with. The more you invest, the more your profit will be. And if you deposit £500 or more, you can receive our premium signals for free. How to deposit and withdraw? You can deposit through credit or debit card, PayPal, Bitcoin and many other payment methods. Once you finish the payment, please send us ID transaction or a photo of the payment. And your withdrawal details. You can withdraw through bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Nettler, and Bitcoin. Using the same payment method you used to deposit. You can find all the previous information and links in the description of this video, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us through our social media, and WhatsApp and Telegram. Also subscribe to our second YouTube channel, link in the description, where we post daily market analysis and update. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it. And comment down below if you have any questions, we are happy to answer all your questions.